Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your child lock function of your windows and of course of your doors of your Ford B-Max. First of course ignition on. And then you can see on the side you have there a button to push on it, and this button will enable or disable the child lock for the windows. The electronic open and close function of the windows will be shut off. As you can see, it does not work anymore. So the child lock is now enabled on the rear passengers area. Of course, there's more. Not only the window we can lock. We can make this for the door too. So, first step, of course, we have to open the door for ourselves before we can lock the child lock function. We go to the side of this sliding door, and there it is. There is the key, and the key we will enter into the child lock hole, and we rotate this to the clockwise position, nearly 90 degrees, and then the child lock function is enabled, and we close the gate, and we cannot open the gate again from inside. Outside opening is good, of course, but inside it is locked, as you can see. That's easy, huh? That's the child lock function for the rear passenger side. To unlock it again, you can open the gates and of course get your key into position, get the rotation back anti-clockwise 90 degrees approximately, and after this step is done, the child lock is disabled so you can open and close the gate again from the inside as well. And do not forget the button because of the windows. Here we can see it works again. Good job. And of course, we go back to the button, ignition switch on, and push the button again to enable the window opening and close function of the windows as well. Here you see, job's done, yeah? And it works. Here you can see it open automatically and close automatically too. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun!